Hey guys, how you doing? Judd Albring here, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to write a one-page business plan that gets results. Now, you're going to want to make sure that you stick around to the very end, guys, because I'm actually going to build out a one-page business plan for you live right here, right now, from beginning to end, and show you exactly what you need to do to set yourself up for success. Whether you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, work from home, whatever it is, you need a plan, right? Because if you fail to plan, then you plan to fail or something like that. You know what I mean. Also, make sure to stick around to the very end because I do have a special bonus for you guys that I'd like to share with you. And if you're into work from home, work from anywhere opportunities, consider subscribing to my channel because I put out videos every single week to help educate you on how to live a more financially free life from anywhere in the world. And if you could do me a big favor, and it would really help out the people up there, the big shots at YouTube know that, hey, people like this content, they want more of it, please hit that like button for me. And as a bonus, I'm going to show you a woman with fingers made of cheese balls. All right, guys, so before we get into it, there's a couple things we need to talk about when it comes to your business plan. Now, don't worry about my eyes here. I'm going to be kind of veering off to my notes a little bit. But before we go into actually the creation of the business plan and showing you how it works, there's a couple things that I want to talk to you about. And that is why we put together a business plan. Whether you're starting a lemonade stand or you are the next Elon Musk, you need a business plan, right? You need something to keep you accountable, keep you on track, right? Set your goals. So let's talk about it. One of the big reasons why you need a business plan is because it's going to help you with those critical decisions moving forward. You also to make better decisions moving forward. And it's going to allow you to sort of determine the answers to some of those more critical business decisions that might be coming up ahead of time. Another thing is it's going to help you kind of work out the kinks in the business, right? Because right now it's an idea. Right now it's up here. We want to get it down on paper. We want to work it out. You'll probably do 1 million business plans before you launch. And you might as well do 1 million one-page business plans than 1 million 10-page business plans. So this is great for entrepreneurs to sort of ask themselves the really tough questions, the hard questions, right? And that's a big reason too why I think people fail is they jump right into it. They don't want to hear what anybody has to say, right? They're afraid to tell their spouse, they're afraid to tell their friends. They just want to do it. And guess what? Buckus, business goes bust. They don't tell anybody about it. They're embarrassed. So don't be afraid, right, to ask yourself these tough questions, right? Is this business viable? Is this really going to work? And share it with people. What do you think? Tell me what you think, right? So you can also use your one-page business plan as sort of a test, right? Share it with some friends. Have people over for a little get-together. Hey, guys, this is just an idea. Tell me what you think, okay? Because trust me, they will tell you what they think. You want to make sure that there is a need for, there's a market, right? Do people want this? Also, it's a good way to talk about capital, right? What kind of business is this, right? Are you going to need serious cash flow, or is this something you can maybe kind of shoestring or bootstrap, right? Team, is this something that's going to require one person? Are you doing physical products? Are you going to need to hire people? Do you need a space, right? Are you going up against the Elon Musk? Are you going up against Amazon? Maybe that's not a good idea. Competition is a good thing, but when you're trying to be the next Amazon, that's probably not a good thing. And then pricing, right? The biggest problem entrepreneurs have when it comes to pricing is they're afraid to price their items too high. And then guess what happens? They price them too low, right? So you're better off being the highest price than the lowest price. People actually want what you have. Can you solve a problem, right? Because if you can't solve a problem, guess what? You don't have a business. All right. And now let's take a look at the one-page business plan. Okay, guys, so this is the one-page business plan that I've put together for you guys. Now, I basically have taken a lot of different one-page business plans and kind of put together a really simple starting point, okay? Don't look at this as a end-all, cure-all. Look at this as a starting point, a place to get your ideas down on paper. There are tons and tons of one-page business plan templates out there. Most of them are follow this structure roughly. Some are a little different. You can simply go to Google, right? But what's more importantly is I want to show you how to fill this out properly. So make sure you stick around to the end and do me a big favor. Comment and let me know, what is your business idea, right? What are you thinking about doing? And I will reply to you and be happy to share my thoughts and things like that. And maybe as a community, we can help each other out. So let me know in the comments, right? What is your idea? What are you thinking? You don't have to give away all your secrets, but let's take a look. So what I put together here is a basic 1 page, oops, I lied, 1 1/4 page business plan. I ran out of room here. And you'll see that pretty much everything here will apply to you. Maybe the team stuff's not going to apply to you. Most of us, right? We're entrepreneurs. We're work from home. We're more or less looking for that digital nomad lifestyle. But this is a great place to start. So I'm going to go through each of these. I'm going to fill them out as if I was doing this. Okay. And I've done a lot of these over the years. I've been working from home for 10 years. Running my own online business for the past 6. So I'm very familiar with this, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to approach this from a completely different business than what I normally do. So I'm going to do the weight loss, right? I work from home, make money online, that sort of thing. So I'm going to approach this as if I'm doing a weight loss product. And that way it's just going to be kind of top of my head, raw and real. And hopefully this will help you guys. Okay. So let's go through the questions here. Number 1, the problem. Like I said earlier, you have to have a problem. If you don't have a problem, right, and you don't have a solution to that problem, then you don't have a business. Stop the tape, stop the video, figure that out, come back. So what is the problem or your need that your customers have? Well, there's a couple ways to go about this. Number 1 is, right, my customers want to lose weight. But what I like to do is I like to add a couple problems. So what else comes with weight loss? Well, they might have high blood pressure. And I'll explain why I do this. They might have high cholesterol. So there might be a couple problems in here. Maybe yours only has one, but maybe it's belly fat, right? Maybe it's certain specific regions, right? Now, the reason I do this is because this will allow me to niche down, okay? Because I probably am not going to go right into the lose weight. But if my product can help, now this also has to be that my product can actually solve these things, right? So if my product can actually solve weight loss, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and belly fat, that's pretty freaking good, okay? So I want to keep my options open because maybe I want to pinpoint my product directly towards lowering blood pressure because that might help me stand out more, niche down. So see if you can't come up with more than one problem. Okay, try and get a list of 5. If you only have one, if it's pretty straightforward, that's fine. Now the solution, right? What is the product or service that will solve the problem? So for me, let's just say I have a tea, right? Now, what's great about this is when you come to a solution, right? And we're going to talk a little about this more as we scroll down. But when it comes to your solution, you want your solution. It can't just be better or faster, right? When it comes to losing weight, being and that's why I chose this because it's the most difficult online space, right? Is you have to really be something unique and different with all the keto diets and the Mediterraneans and the kettlebells and the bikes and spinning and all that kind of stuff. There's all different types of stuff, but we're going to come back to tea in a second and I'm going to explain why this is powerful. Okay. Now, make money. How's my business going to make money? Well, I'm going to start, of course, with tea sales, right? But now here's the thing is, what else can I sell? Well, as my business grows, I could probably sell supplements, right? As more people get to know, like, and trust me. If it becomes a brand, I could probably sell merch in the future. And I'm going to tell you why I'm going with this. Digital products, like maybe I sell online courses, is also when it comes to how is your business going to make money, try and create what's called a value ladder. So you have your entry-level product, right? Maybe it's priced at 30, 40, 50, maybe 100. But then you have other products that go up higher and higher, right? So maybe I also have, as time goes on, I have live events where I'm charging $500,000 a ticket. Okay. So keep that in mind. Okay. Team and outsourcing. I'm not going to spend too much time on this, right? It's just me, but If I'm doing physical products, maybe I need people to do labor, build, ship, things like that. Keep that in mind. If that's where you're going with this, maybe you have a partner. What are they going to do? Okay. Market. This one's a huge one. What is your target market? Now, this is where this also helps you to niche down and stand out. So if I was approaching this, I am a 40s plus something dad. Okay. So my target is going to be dads over 40. Okay. That obviously want to lose weight. So who is your customer, right? Obviously, I just answer that. It's dads. But this is also a good place to create what's called an avatar, a customer avatar. And I know people that actually create an avatar and like pin it up on their wall. So I might say, well, my avatar is, his name is Mike. So I make up a name. His name is Mike. He works downtown. He's had the same job for 20 years and he used to be in shape, but he's kind of got that beer belly thing going on. He's making good money. He's got a family, but he's just not happy. Something's missing, right? And I might put up a typical picture. Maybe it's a dude in khakis wearing a polo shirt. So think about that. What does your customer look like? And then how many of them are there out there? Well, I don't know the exact numbers, but I'm pretty sure there's a crap load, right? So I would go and do the statistics and say, okay, 80%. And you can simply Google, right, statistics. How many men over 40 have high blood pressure? How many men over 40 have belly fat? How many men over 40 are overweight? There's a lot, okay? And then number 8, competition. Now, this is back to the T that we talked about, okay? This is going to be really, really important. So back to the T that we talked about. This is something I want to point out. This is a book called Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson. I'll put a link below for you guys to check it out. Yes, I am an affiliate for them. So thank you, but that's not why I'm doing this. But Expert Secrets is the Bible, okay? For anybody looking to grow a business, take the idea, turn it into reality. So grab that book. But what I want to share with you is this. So before I talked about T, okay, remember we talked about that earlier? Now look at this. What advantage does your business have against the competition? Now, I just can't say, oh, my workouts are better. Oh, we do our weights a little differently. Oh, instead of working out for 20 minutes, we do 30 minutes or whatever the case may be. It has to be a new opportunity, a new vehicle to get somebody to go from gym A to gym B, right? Because if someone's at a gym and it's $100 a month and I say, come over to my gym, we're $50 a month. People are going to be like, maybe I'll get a couple people, but in the end, there's a reason why they're there, a reason why they love it. So I have to have a new opportunity. And guess what? Instead of charging $100, I'm going to charge $200. Okay? Because nobody has what I have. So let me show you a picture of the new opportunity. Here's the new opportunity. Here's the old vehicle. This is how people have been working out, going to the gym, right? This is how they've been losing weight, doing thousands of sit-ups a day. Well, guess what? Here's the new vehicle or the new opportunity. Come over to my side. I have this tea. I discovered it in the Himalayan mountains. It is life-changing. I'm the only one who has it. You drink 3 cups a day, you exercise for 30 minutes a day, and you'll lose XYZ weight. And then look, here's the desired result. They want to lose weight. So if you read this below, rather than trying to improve the vehicles your dream customers have tried already by creating an improvement offer, okay, we don't want to do that. Provide an entirely new vehicle for them to get to their desired result by creating a new opportunity, okay? So we want to create a new opportunity. That is what is key here. Financials, how much do you need, right? Think about it. What are you doing? As an online business person, I know I only need, I can run my business from anywhere from 100 to say 300 a month because it's just software. You might be more in the 1,000+ range. Maybe you need more intense software. So think about your expenses. Realistically, what is this going to cost you? Okay. All right, guys. And lastly, let's go over goals. So goals, what do you want to achieve and by when? So this could be based on financial goals, followers, all those different types of things. So I might set my goals at, 30, 60 and 90-day goals, right? I don't like to set out 6 months. I might set out like a yearly goal by the end of the year, but also I like to think in chunks. All right, over the next 30 days, I'm going to accomplish this. Over the next 60, over the next 90. One great goal might be, especially if you're an entrepreneur and you're promoting on social media, you choose your social media channel, maybe it's YouTube, TikTok, and you say, okay, I'm going to commit to 3 posts a day for the next 90 days. And my goal in the next 90 days is to get 10,000 followers. Okay. And then based on those 10,000 followers, my goal realistically might be to make, for every 1,000 people that come through, maybe it's, 3% of those buy. 1 to 3% is the average, kind of. Okay. So think about your numbers, things like that. And that's where you could put together your numbers. And then you need to start thinking about, well, what is it that I'm going to do that? Now, if you have a family or another job, you need to write down a schedule. You need to write down a calendar. I'm going to tell myself, okay, every day I'm going to get up early, and from 5 to 7, Monday through Friday, I'm going to create content to hit that goal. Okay. So when it comes to goals, you also need to think about scheduling, right? Putting down a schedule, sticking with it, right? And the reason most people fail, right, entrepreneurs, is because they simply give up. 90% of people will fail with an online business because they give up. You have to stick with it. Let me give you an example. I started a TikTok channel. I'm not really active on TikTok anymore. It's not really my thing, but I wanted to give it a shot. So I set myself a goal, and I said, I'm going to post 3 times a day for 90 days. And I didn't really have a subscriber goal in mind, but I said, you know what, I'm going to give it a shot. And I'm 49 years old, guys. I'm more than twice the age of the average TikTok person. I got 60,000 subscribers in 90 days, and I think I made close to $10,000 from my videos. Not from TikTok, but from promoting products. So if I can do it, you can do it. And lastly, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Please let me know in your comments what you think. What did you like about this? What are your questions about this? Let me know. I'll be happy to get back to you, and let me know your business ideas. And please don't forget to smash that like button. Let YouTube know that we're here, that people want to know about this stuff. I greatly appreciate it. And if you guys want to learn more about how I actually make money, because people always ask me, well, what is it that you do? How do you make money online, right? I do affiliate marketing. I promote other people's products and services. And you can do this in any niche under the sun. I don't care if you like to fish, hunt, cook, if you're into singing, playing an instrument, sports, woodworking. It's a business for anybody. And you can learn how to do it. There's a link in my bio in the first couple lines of the description. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day.